Greetings to the world from the Berrystrip small holding homestead, Cornwall, UK. Hello, I'm Jason. Okay, everybody is being fed and watered and roasting, as my daughter's just said.
Well, I'm roasting, so.
Well, she's roasting. It's very, very hot
you want your keys back?
today. My daughter's. I'm filming her filming. I'm filming the editor to the videos that I do. So she's with the peacocks and the ducks. Emperor Emerald, the two ducks. And you got Tempest and the kids. And that rooster.
This is a Patchy.
Okay, Apache.
Yeah, because he's got barely any spots.
Okay. So that's Apache, everyone.
Yeah.
The other one was
Speckle.
Speckle is the furthest one away.
Yeah, the one with more spots.
And the other one would be Navajo.
Yeah, Navajo.
I don't know if anyone knows the difference between the languages of the Native American Indians between the Navajo and Apache Indians. I'll give you a chance to think about it. The difference is it's the same language spoken at a different speed. Not that I haven't much international knowledge, most of my knowledge is about Cornwall. But Tempest and the kids, very hot today, very, very hot. Heard it hot for the few days. Still the threat of that rain coming, and the ponies will need to be moved from the spot they're in before the rain comes. They may even get moved down to the bit beneath where they are. There's a woman at work, editor at work.
Hi.
How it goes.
I'm working on TikToks for the Berrystrip.
Okay.
So if you haven't followed that yet, go do it.
Okay then. Right, that's it for now. Everybody fed and watered for this morning. Got quite a lot to get on with. Alright, until the next time. Just feeding the ponies for the second time today. Very, very hot. Even now, the sun is very hot. I'm gonna feed the rest of the guys. It's chilly. Every year, touch is just so hot. Like living in a microwave on full blast. Yes, indeed, everybody. Right, go that way. Let's let go for a second. Right. Let's see if there's any eggs. Oh yes, there's 3 eggs. Right, the really back. Oh. How would if I put the camera in the right place? 3 eggs. I'm trying to propel my body out of here again. As you do. Right. Oh. Pardon me. Oh, 3 eggs. That's that. Right then, guys. If I can get past you, I can get your water. Just missing the stinger nettles. Across my elbow. Put that down. Placing that with a bang. Right. Trying not to drop the eggs is a bigger challenge. Pin that down. It's there. Let's get it. It's onto the penny down a second. Just place them here. Oh, pardon me, it's an itch in my nose. Place them here. Right, 1, 2, 3, that's the eggs. Right, and go back and start all over again. Oh. Right. Just feeding the ponies for the second time today. Very, very hot. Even now, the sun is very hot. Right, gonna feed the rest of the guys. It's chilly. Everything you touch is just so hot. Right, living in a microwave on full blast. Yes, indeed, everybody. Right, go that way. Let's let go for a second. Right. Let's see if there's any eggs. Oh yes, there's 3 eggs. Right, the very back. Oh. How would if I put the camera in the right place? 3 eggs. I'll try to propel my body out of here again. As you do. Right. Oh. Pardon me. Oh, 3 eggs. That's that. Right then, guys. If I can get past you, I can get your water. Right. Just missing the stinger nettles. Across my elbow. Put that down. Placing that with a bang. Right. Trying not to drop the eggs is a bigger challenge. Putting that down. It's there. Let's get this onto the pony down a second. And go back and start all over again. Oh. Oh. I'm feeding these guys. 10% of kids' water is up there. If you wanted to do that, just collected their eggs. These guys are going to go wild! Oh, they didn't go wild. Oh no. Search for that. That's like, then the car goes wild, and they just didn't. More water required. More water. We need more water. More water. And there's this, if you can. That's awkward to do when you only got one hand. You do it if you're carrying a camera at the same time. Right. So hot. Like I said, everything you touch is just hot regardless of what it is. Hello. You're right. Yes. Oh, okay. I don't know what it was. That was right. Biff in his tray. Apparently. Right. You okay, Rod? This has been obviously looked at today, I would have thought, because it's been slightly moved. And the duck's eggs in here. Looks like a lot of activity in here. Maybe too much activity, to be precise. Right. Oh. Oh. I thought there was a tractor going to go by. There isn't. No. Duck eggs. Okay. Hi guys. So take your drinker out. Oh, actually yours is quite, yeah, yours is heavy enough actually.
What are you doing?
No, it's quite heavy actually. It's quite misleading. Yeah.
I'll put the water in, I guess.
Okay. That's all fed.
Do not bite my toes though, please. Oh God. So the other guys have a habit of biting toes.
I think the answer is don't let them. So no.
Enjoy that. Just not my toes, please. Okay, out the way, out the way, out the way. One scoop.
Right.
These ones locked up, yeah?
Yeah, we're finished up now. All finished up for the day. We do actually lock in the poultry. We lock everything up just... Oh, you haven't given Tempest and the kids their water? Okay. You just want to do this. You can take over the camera with your hands right in front of the screen.
Wow, I'm not used to a phone.
I always got like I'm very clever at getting the scoop in front of the camera.
Well, I use Jemison's iPad to record normally, so
Yeah.
I don't normally use the phone.
We're whizzing past the stinger nuts. I'm putting the drink there. There you go, guys.
Okay, now you can do electric fence as well.
Right. That.
Ew.
That closed. That closed. Alright, I'll do the electric fencing.
Sorry, I was itching my leg.
If you finish your trace,
Looks like it.
finish your trace, I can take them away actually. See them being there.
Rest in peace, ball.
Oh. What's that? Finish for this one.
Oh, she's so pretty.
That's the way. Right.
Hi, beautiful. Hello. Little lady.
Got to put the fence on, guys. Fence on.
I'm glad I wasn't touching it, to be honest. I was actually that
You were
close.
pretty close to it, so it's forewarning you.
The screen's gone dark, so I don't even know if you're on frame. I think you are. I'm just going to assume he is.
Okay.
Okay, do drop, look the penny down.
Can you see me?
No.
Alright then, coming to the end of this video today, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching our videos. This is the Berrystrip Small Holding Homestead, Cornwall, UK. I am Jason. Thank you for having me.